What's up? It's your favorite attorney, Attorney Allie Booker. Court is in session. We are bringing them to the court of our public opinion. Are you ready? Let's go, honey. How much time will my boyfriend get in jail if he's a felon? He was speeding with a gun in possession, and he was also drunk. I'm pregnant, and I wonder, how much time will he get? Well, ma'am, I will tell you this. He's already up, of course, for a felony. You're saying that he's a felon. And, of course, he has a gun charge now. So he has a felon in possession of a weapon, okay? In addition to that, he was driving drunk. I want to take it back a little bit and explain to you guys the problem with driving drunk with a gun in the vehicle. A person who is intoxicated is not of the mindset to be able to control an automatic weapon or any sort of weapon. Your thought process is off. It has been inhibited. And chances are you're not going to do the right thing with a weapon. So what the police do, what they're trained to do, and what the legislature says that they must do, is that even if you are not a felon, if you are caught driving drunk with a gun in the car, it's a worse charge. It's worse. And that happens for people that are not even felons. Because there are many people that are allowed to pack a gun. If you are drunk, you cannot have a gun. I'm going to repeat that. There are many people that are allowed to have a gun. You are never allowed to have a gun in your possession, in your care, custody, or control while you're intoxicated. A gun in a car with a drunk driver means extra charges, means heightened charges. Even if it's a misdemeanor, it's a worse one. It's a little gun case with it. So now we're going to move over to felons, because this gentleman is a felon. A felon in possession of a weapon is not a very good case to have, because of course you're not supposed to be having a weapon if you're a felon. I don't know how many prior drunk driving cases he has, but also drunk driving is not a good case to get multiple times. Here in Texas, once you've gotten convicted of it, they step it up a notch and a notch and a notch. And the reason that they do that is because a lot of the times innocent people are victimized by drunk drivers. So I will say that, you know, the fact that he's a felon, he was drunk, and there was a gun in the vehicle is not good for him. However, you have to look at a lot of things to determine what his sentence may be. I don't know whether or not he is a violent individual or a non-violent individual. Non-violent felons, albeit they are felons, are not punished as harsh much of the time, or at least your attorney can argue that you should not be punished as harshly because you're not violent. Now, if he's had an aggravated robbery, a robbery, assaultive in nature, any offenses against the person, and he's got that gun in the car and he's drunk driving, they're going to want to sock it to him. The reason that I say that is because I want to be upfront and honest with you. We have to know the boat that we're in so that we can know what we need to do to get out of that boat. So you're pregnant and you're trying to figure out how much time he's going to get. You have to look at those charges. Look and see if he's a gun toter by nature. Look and see if he uses this gun in his crimes. Or is he just an older guy that shouldn't have been drinking and was, and happened to have a gun in the car for protection? Although he's a felon, it's from way back when. Times are crazy now, and that's why he had it. I wouldn't say that on the second or the latter one that he'll get away scot-free, but he could easily avoid jail time. But he could go to jail for a long time. And there are many factors that weigh in on that. I hope some of the things that I gave you will guide you into understanding, and you are welcome to email me, booker@bookerlawfirm.com, with any further follow-up so that I can assist you. But at this point, that's my response to that. Court stands in recess.
Sitting here behind these walls, think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225 or visit the website at bookerlawfirm.com.